No idea how this is going to work out, but okay. Well, hi. Are you thirsty? Huh? Are you thirsty? Good girl. Yeah. Yeah. What? What are you afraid of, huh? You afraid I'm going to eat you? Come on. Sister, come on. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Very good. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, you can eat. Good girl. You're a little nervous, aren't you? You're just a little nervous.